Well, good morning. Well, morning for me, but I think this is day 5. I believe it's day 5. I don't know. But I'm gonna finish up this door handle. I'm gonna reassemble the inside of this door, the inside of this door, and then we're gonna move over to this side, and then I'm gonna bang out this fender, bang out the mirror right there. Yeah. So I brought headphones this time. Surprising, right? I don't know how I was doing this without headphones, but I got my headphones, so I'm gonna tune out and I'm gonna try and get this all done today. We got the fender done. We got the driver's side door. This one's been wrapped. Door's been wrapped. Top of the door's been wrapped. I still have the spoiler to do, the front bumper, but this side's completely back together. That's all done. So, yeah, I'm gonna stop. I'm a little exhausted. I've been working on this every single chance I can, so on to the next couple days to work on this and get it done with and over with. Alright, I'll be back the following day or whatever other day I'm working on this. Yeah.